Hello little friends, I'm Aunt Elora. Today I want to tell you a story about something very special. Helping others. Let's begin. Yay! I'm going to fly my new kite today.
I brought my scooter. I'm the fastest fox ever.
Your scooter is beautiful, Rico. Oh no, my kite is stuck. I can't reach it.
I'm going to ride my scooter. I don't want to miss the fun.
Luna need help. I'll stay. Don't worry, Luna. Let me try. Thank you, Leo. You are the best. Friends help each other. That's what real fun is. Wow, I went riding and missed the fun. What happened? You missed helping me, Rico. Leo saved my kite. Oh, I should have helped too. It's okay, Rico. Next time you'll know what to do. And that's show little acts of kindness make big smile. Helping others does not take much. Just a little heart and little time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories with Aunt Elora.